Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix only one earbud is working on your headphones Moto Buds Plus. You have to start by put your headphones to the charging case, close the case and open it again to make a soft reset. So just open it. Now it should be connecting. Cool. If it didn't help you and you still have this problem, we should make a hard reset. So just press and hold connectional button for at least 12 seconds until you can see that LED light starts flashing white. Here we go. Now click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Then forget this device, forget device. Now if you have Android, click pair a new device and then click on your headphones on the device list. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!